Welcome to our guide on the top 5 errors you might encounter in Star Citizen, and how to fix them. The complexity of the game can lead to a variety of technical issues, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First up is error 30007. This error is commonly caused by server connection issues that may be beyond your control. To fix this, you can reset your settings, ensure your internet connection is stable, and try relogging into the game. Next, sometimes you may encounter the CIG service unavailable message. This usually indicates server downtime. If this happens, try again later or check community forums for updates on the server status. Now let's talk about error 60007. This error is often hardware-related and linked to graphics settings. To fix it, try updating your drivers and adjusting the graphic settings in your game options. Client crashes can be frustrating. They may happen at unexpected times during gameplay. To prevent crashes, optimize your system performance and verify your game files regularly. In conclusion, we've covered some common errors you might face in Star Citizen and how to resolve them. Stay updated with patches and check community forums for the latest information.